Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Radio7Play.com. I am your moderator for today on June 3rd, 2015. Let me start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, so we're going to be reviewing June 2nd's trading day. Okay, we're going to start off with the OTC markets. Today we had a pretty good runner here on COTE. This is a stock we actually sent out on May 20th. We had a buy zone from 10 to 13. Actually triggered here at 0.0012 on the ask. Pulled back as low as 0.0011 on company selling. Okay, we had the May 20th news. The most advanced green internal combustion engine technology in the world starts its production phase of operations in USA. Okay, this was pretty much this day right here. This is a weekly chart, and I just showed the traders that this was pretty much a bottom here. We saw this reversal tail and a test of a break of 18. Really didn't manage to trade above it, but then today we had news. Okay, with the news we saw a huge move up to that 0.016 level. Okay, we closed at 0.0099. Okay, a really good move on the stock after quite some selling. Okay, now what I would look for is using the fib retrace levels. I kind of set this up here from this entry here. This top, what we're looking at is right here at that 21-day moving average. Look for that 0.0048 support. If you do see a kiss of that 0.0048, look for that 0.0035 to 0.0048 level. Okay, if you see a kiss of that level, you may start seeing what we call a bullish inside flag pattern. Okay, we noticed that as well with the AURI. It did a similar move. Okay, also the ARYC. Okay, so just watch this level here for a re-entry. If you're not in the stock, or if you're looking to actually re-enter the stock, you may be able to add from 0.0035 to 0.0048. Okay, if you want to keep your stop close tight, just keep it here. I would place my stop here at a close below 0.0035 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, just to make sure that you use your stops and manage risk. Just a great move off the news today. This is the type of stock that I mentioned. You know, I posted a quote. I said whenever I enter a stock, okay, there's only going to be two options. Either I'm going to break below the stop on 2 consecutive closes, or I'm going to go ahead and lock profits on the way up. Okay, I'm not going to be a break-even trader, meaning if I would have added this from 12 to 15, I wouldn't have sold it until I stopped out with a close below 12 on 2 consecutive closes, and that never happened. Okay, so sometimes being patient is what counts in the OTC. So I want traders to just kind of understand that sentiment, especially when you're trading these stocks. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol BRAV, Brav. Okay, this is a stock that I feel that is in a buy zone area. Okay, we have a bottom confirmation. This is the daily chart here. The stock has never closed below that 0.0012, and it hasn't tested this level since last week. Now what you're seeing is what I call a mini bull flag, and we actually broke above that level here with a close of 17. We kissed a high of 19 and closed at 17 with a low of 14. So what we're noticing here is the higher lows. We have a 21-day moving average, okay, here at 0.0015, and now you have that 8-day moving average curling up inside it. So usually, typically, when you get these the merging of that 8-day moving average into that 21-day moving average, okay, you see what I call a golden cross or a squeeze. Okay, I want traders to keep an eye on this close. If you close or manage to close above this 19 level on 2 consecutive closes, we have huge upside up to this 0.0035 level. This stock or this company has news pending on something called Muscle Flex. It is fitness apparel that should be launched here in June 2015. So we can see updates. And if we do get updates, I would not be surprised for the stock to kind of break out and squeeze higher. Right. The next stock is ticker symbol PTOP. This was a stock that I mentioned here, was a great opportunity to enter at the lows. It actually triggered an entry as low as 0009. Okay, it gave that 9 to 11 buy zones. Today I noticed that there was a nice bid support at 12. This thing pulled back and tested at 0.001 on some panic, but at the same time hit a high of 0.002 for 100% move from entries. Typically, I would have liked the stock to close above this box pattern. I believe that there was a lot of amateur selling into this trade. I did notice that the stock pulled back, hit a low of 14, and then hit a high of 0.002 on twice on the day, but then managed to close down at 0.0012. So just keep an eye on any breakdown here. If you do close below 9 on 2 consecutive closes, it is a stop, but overall you still got 100% move. I do feel that this stock has pending news, a website launch through its previous news. So with low share structure, I do believe the stock could see a move much higher. CCTL, just a great move. It actually triggered and it gave an opportunity to enter at that probability level. We saw a low of over here as low as a 0.001 entry. It hit a high of 18 and closed at the high of the day at 18. What we're looking for is 2 consecutive closes above that 18 level. Then our test is going to be that 21-day moving average here at 0.0023. If you can close above that 2-3 level on 2 consecutive closes, would not be surprised for this to test 36 and a potential move here from 0.005, okay, to that path of least resistance, 100-day moving average, or the 50-day moving average, I'm sorry, at 0.0173. A lot of leg space, a lot of room for this CCTL. It is a low share structure stock, and what we're seeing here is a bit of around the bottom, which we talked about it. We saw stocks like AURI, we saw stocks like ARYC do some beautiful reversals from this at levels. And like I said, you're entering at an entry buy zone and you have your stop closed below a certain level. If you're not in the stock, what you can actually do is look to buy the stock and then just place your stop below that 15 level on 2 consecutive closes to make sure that you manage risk. Next stock is another stock, low share structure stock, about float. It's just about 51 million shares. This is the SNXG. It actually triggered, pulled back, kissed at 0.0011 level, gave us an opportunity to enter from 12 to 14 on June 1st, 2015. Today we pulled back a low of 14, hit a high of 21, okay, kissed that level, and we still managed to close at 17 with a green close. Watch that second day confirmation green close for SNXG. This could squeeze higher. You have a lot of room here from 0.009 to about 0.05 for that SNXG. Any updates, any news, you could see a move higher. This does have what you call a potential pincher play. So these stocks usually do well with some bid buy pressure. Okay, now we're gonna move over to the options. The SPY. If you notice here, you're seeing a little bit of weakness here on the SPY. Okay, you're seeing a little bit a lows. What I'm noticing here, you're seeing a little bit of a bearish flag pattern here. So I want traders to kind of keep an eye on this. If you see this bear flag continue and a potential break below that 211 mark, you could see that test of 209, which I told members that's the level that I'm thinking that this market may pull back down to. So we're looking at that 208, 209 level for a potential pullback, depending on what kind of sentiment we have into tomorrow. So open. Okay, moving on, we're looking at the Apple. Okay, we talked about these this downward trend, a little bit of a downward trend here. I think we may test this 128.80. If we close below that 128.80, okay, we're looking for that move down to this 126.53. I think if it pulls back down to that 125, 126 level, could be an opportunity to go long and just trade higher. It's still in a significant trend line, okay, or upward trend, is still holding these levels at 125 and change. So I do like that support level. Okay, for the Nvidia, okay, I know some of us stopped out of the trade, but now today we just saw that fake out breakout level. Okay, we saw that fake out breakout level here. Okay, and we're seeing higher lows. It kissed that level. It looked like it was about to break, but now it's rolling over. So watch that 2140 level for support. Okay, if it does break below 2140, watch out. Watch that 2060 move. Okay, so Nvidia looks a lot weaker compared to the previous days. Okay, another stock that we went long was ticker symbol LL, Lumber Liquidators. Okay, if you notice here, I was talking about the CEO resignation. I said that move down to 1920 would be good for calls, and that did test that level. Okay, it actually gave us an opportunity to add as low as 2030, and now the stock is trading at 2201. Okay, I do feel this thing has a lot of upside potential. I think our target's going to be 25 on the lumber liquidator. So um, the calls look pretty good here. Next stock is 3D Systems. That's ticker symbol DDD. Okay, we're seeing this trend line hold, and I feel that this stock is ready to bounce here to that 25, 27 level. So keep an eye on that Triple D Systems. CDTI for the small caps, just a beautiful entry for us RSP traders. Gave us an opportunity to trigger at $1.90 on May 26th. It was a hold. I talked about that bullish flag pattern, and today we just surged to about $3.40. Hit a high of $3.38 on June 2nd, 2015. Okay, just a beautiful move here on the CDTI. Yes, this is a topping tail, but at the same time, we're trading into strength. So those that added this share at $1.90, just a great move. We hit our target 1 of 220, hit our target 2 of 230, and hit our potential target of 260, and exceeded that up to $3.38. So just a great move. The DXM as well, it triggered at 83.85 cents. Then it hit a target of 90 cents on June 1st. We actually hit a high of $1.30. Okay, $1.30 yesterday. So now what we're looking for is any pullback down to this level, and it actually gave us an opportunity to re-enter and re-trigger here at 90 cents. Okay, so this is just the setups that we had for this week. Okay, we have a couple of other stocks that are pending right now. If you want to get a free trial, try a 30-day free trial. Just go on radiosilentplay.com and just sign up. Any questions you have, just write something in the comment box below, or you can send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Okay, have a good night, everybody.